Quiet. Hey guys, it's a quick video. Take two of the video. Just to let you know about the international lupus prayer that's going on tomorrow. I've talked about it in another video because it's an event on Facebook. But I invite everybody who watches this video is more than welcome to pray along. You know, it's
The only thing is we were never able to match the speed
2
in which
p.m.
Sonya
2
disappeared.
p.m. East
So
Coast time.
ultimately, we decided to use a hydraulic
Um,
platform to replicate
it,
the
we're
effects.
doing it. They're doing it tomorrow because tomorrow is World Lupus Day.
That's really good. Jael
Um,
reappearing. Look at the covers. That's like an
just
exact
get
match.
out there. We're just praying for a cure,
Yeah,
people to
but this was
stay.
an extremely elaborate build, and we had a really hard time
Excuse
believing
me,
that Sonya
brain
would
fog.
go through all of that work
Praying for a
just to create a
cure.
hoax. So we
Um,
decided to stay and do an investigation.
better
Now,
research,
Sonya
better
had
medical
mentioned that
research,
during her
better
experiences, she felt
medicines
as if there were
to
voices
counteract it because
communicating
we
in
haven't
a
had any new
telepathic way to
medicines
her.
in quite
So
some
we
time.
decided to do an EVP
So,
session.
so
And in reviewing it,
has my
at the very moment I
researchers
asked the question, this is what
brought
we
to my
got.
attention.
Is it somebody
Um,
trying to communicate with us?
I always gotta answer that question.
Wait a
it
minute, can you
doesn't
play it
matter who you
again?
pray to; it's just a
Is
prayer.
it somebody trying to communicate with
I
us?
appreciate everybody who actually accepted the invitation for the
We got
lupus
static
prayer
appearing like
day.
there's nowhere else
Um,
throughout the whole
like I
EVP
said, it's
session.
at 2 p.m.
Because a lot of
Eastern
people would
time.
believe in alien contact.
It's
You know, that
worldwide. Take
extraterrestrials
10 minutes out of
respond
your
to electromagnetic fields.
take 10
Which
minutes
means that
out
there's
of
gotta
at
be
2 p.m.
alien
from
communication
2
happening.
o'clock to
Now, you remember the
2:10,
video
just to,
itself, we
give a
promised
prayer.
Sonya and
You
said we
know,
would have it analyzed. So we took
I
it to
don't
our
ask for
video
money. I
analyst who
don't
works
ask
for the
for,
FBI and
you
NASA
know,
on different contracts.
I don't
He was
ask for
actually
donations.
able
I
to
mean,
take
it's a
the
good idea
file
to,
and
but
open it.
I don't,
He looked into the metadata and found that there
um,
was nothing that
I
indicated
don't
the
ask for
image had been
donations.
manipulated in any way,
But
or that there was any post-production software used on the
all I'm asking
file.
for is a little prayer,
Now, he did find something else that was
and I
interesting.
appreciate it.
Let's pull up the
Tomorrow,
original
East Coast
video.
time, 2 p.m.
Now, just about the point
World
before
Lupus Day.
Sonya disappears, you
I
notice that
appreciate
there's
your
something
support. I appreciate
right
your
about
prayers,
here.
your well wishes, and
This
everything
is
like
what
that.
he thinks might be
Um,
a
so
foot.
I'll
When
talk
she
to you soon.
disappears, it's still kind of